You want to start a business? How? Why? And what do you need to start? Well, here are some ways that you can start a business today with little or no money. Let's go. And this is the Rule Your Money Show. I am your host, Dakota Grady, sponsored by Upstate East Central Solutions. That's right, y'all. If you need help with accounting and taxes or personal finances, contact me, Dakota Grady, at dakotagrady.com. So welcome to the show, y'all. Today we're talking about how to start a business. I asked my community what they wanted to hear, and they said how to start a business. So here we are. For those who responded, thank you. This is for you. So we're going to dive right into it. Let me share my story about how I am qualified to talk to you about entrepreneurship or business. During 2020, I lost my job. I was working for a company in Tennessee doing bookkeeping and taxes for small businesses. And it was March of 2020, I lost my job. The next month, I started my business. And my wife encouraged me to do that. And I was doing accounting and taxes. So I had the skills. I had gained skills from 2012 through 2020. So 8 years of doing bookkeeping for other people. So I decided to do it again, because the first time I started a business, same business, accounting and taxes, I wasn't skilled enough. The second time I started my business, I had the skills, the confidence to start my business. So April of 2020, I started my business, doing accounting and taxes for small businesses. And I've been in business for 4 years now with clients in different states, doing the same thing I was doing for other people, which is accounting and taxes, bookkeeping, right? So that's how I am qualified to talk to you about how to start a business. Again, I've done it, still doing it, still grinding it out. It's not for the faint at heart. But if you want to increase your income, I wholeheartedly believe that starting a business is the best way and the right way for you. If I can do it, so can you. So here are the things that I believe can help you start your business today. So the first thing I believe that can help you start a business by identifying the need in the community. I do taxes, right? So people need to have their taxes done every single year. Some people may owe taxes, some people may get a refund. The whole point is people need their taxes filed. How about people who have houses, they want to buy a house, right? Or maybe someone wants to rent a house. Or someone has a car that needs to be fixed. Or someone needs clothing. We all need clothing. So I just gave you some businesses that you can start. A tax business, become a realtor, right? You can start a mechanic shop, maybe even a clothing store. But those are some things that are need-based businesses, in my opinion, that you can start. For me, which goes into step 2, the first thing you need to identify the needs of your community, right? Once you identify the needs of the community, the second point is to identify your skills. How do your skills align with the needs in the community? For me, it was a no-brainer. I was already doing bookkeeping and taxes for other people, for other clients, for different employers, but for their clients. So I needed to transfer those skills I had from serving someone else in their business to my own business, which is what I did. I took my skills, my know-how, and created my own accounting and tax firm. So what skills do you have that can transfer from your job into a business idea? Take inventory of yourself, because you may be overlooking the things that are making your employer money. They can also make you money, but do it for you and serve your business or serve your clients the way you want to serve. So the second point is to identify the skills that you have and marry them to the needs of the community. And the third thing is to launch a business. All right, so you got the need in the community, the skills that meet the need or the want, whatever, in the community, and then you're gonna launch a business. What does the launch look like? For me, I had a computer, and know-how. So all I need to do is get people to know what I did, which I did that. We're gonna talk about the marketing piece later, but letting people know that you have something to offer is the way to launch a business. Get it out there in the community. But before you take a full launch, I would say, if you start making money right away, you wanna make sure you capture your income and expenses. That means the money coming in to your business from paying clients and the money you're paying out for different things, for different supplies, for different equipment to run your business. Make sure I recommend getting some consultation from maybe a CPA, bookkeeper, tax accountant, or maybe an accountant to help you get basic bookkeeping for your business. Start with a spreadsheet or keep your receipts, whatever you need to do. Do not overlook bookkeeping in your business. Make sure you keep up with the receipts for your business so that you can take account for what you're earning and spending right out the gate. And I recommend also getting the person to set you up with an LLC. That means a limited liability company, and your EIN, which is the employer identification number. It's like a social security number for your business in a nutshell. The LLC will help protect you if someone were to sue you. They can only take the assets that the business owns and not any personal asset that you own, such as your home, your car, anything that you own personally. So make sure you get the LLC set up and your EIN set up. Once you do those two things, I want you to go and open up a business bank account to make sure the money is going into your business and spent out of that same account. Don't commingle your funds, meaning don't take money. Well, you can take money out of your business, but don't pay for personal expenses out of your business bank account. So no. Don't commingle funds. Use your business bank account only for business income and business expenses. All right? Now, the next step is to market your business. Marketing your business means you're going to let people know that you are there in your community, online, wherever you plan to sell your goods and services to people. You're going to market your business. Letting people know that you have something to sell to them that can help their needs and their wants. How do you market? I recommend marketing online. Social media is one way to market your business. You can do advertisement, paid ads, they call them. You can do Facebook ads, Instagram ads. You can also do billboards, signs, waving. Do whatever you can in order for you to get your business known in the community. So it's going to take time to get your business off the ground, but you can also get business through word of mouth. In fact, that's how I got my first 2 clients, I believe, because people knew who I was. They became clients of mine, helping them to get a business set up and also tax preparation as well. So market your business to get known and to let people know that you're there to serve them to meet their needs. The next thing I recommend doing is, once you get clients, you want to onboard them by getting a process, or make sure you have a letter in place summarizing the agreement between you and the client, the price that they're going to pay to you, I should say, for your goods and services, whether it be a one-time fee or an ongoing fee. Make sure you get it in writing and meet with the client to make sure, or the prospect to make sure that it's a good fit, because not all money is good money. I'll say it again. Not all money that people offer you for your goods and services is good money. Here's why: because the personality of that person might not gel with your personality. So that may not be a good fit. Even though the person may be in need of your services and your goods, doesn't necessarily mean that you are the one to provide the services. So make sure it's a good fit. Once the person is a good fit, you met with the person, answer all the questions, make sure that you can meet their needs, and then you can provide services to them, bring them on board, send them a letter to sign so that you both agree to the services and the price that you're going to pay. And then start doing the work for them. Once you do the work for them, follow up with them to make sure that everything's done properly. And for me, I do bookkeeping for my clients every month. For those who are bookkeeping clients, I send them the deliverables, which is the financial statements, P&L, and balance sheet. And I say, if you have any questions, let me know. That way, they know that they can ask me questions to get clarity on whatever question they have for the business, financials, or even something that may be tax related. The whole point is I am providing quality service to my clients, and so can you. So the last part I believe that can help you in your business is to repeat the process. Make sure you continue to assess the community, identify the skills that you have that can meet the needs of the community, and continue to relaunch your business. You get a new brand. You say you rebranding your business, or you're doing something that's new, a new launch, a new product or service. Go through the steps again. Of course, you have already set up the LLC, unless you want to set up a different business. You won't need another EIN or another LLC unless you want to. Continually market the business and bring clients on board, and then maintain the relationship by providing quality service. That's it, y'all, in a nutshell. So if you are on the fence about starting a business, I want to encourage you to do the steps I identified today to help you start your business and provide services to the community. And before we close, I want to end with this right here. Starting a business is hard. It's challenging, it's scary, but it's worthwhile. When I lost my job during the pandemic, I was afraid, and it's even today, 4 years later, I'm still afraid, but I move forward with fear, past fear, because the fear is getting punched in the face by me taking action. So quiet the fears in your mind by taking action consistently over time, and you will have a business. Don't let the fear stop you from making the income you want to make in your life, to make your life better. And not only that, you win and your clients win as well. So I hope this is helpful to you, for those who want to start a business. And remember, that's a quick thing. Some of you may be wondering, how did he get his business started without a loan? In fact, I didn't have any debt in my business. I don't, even today. I use some ways to get money. Here's a bonus for you. Get money by this way. This is how you fund your business. First, get paying clients. Use O.P.M by meaning using paying clients money to fund your business. Secondly, increase your fees. That's one way you can increase your fees to get more income in your business. And the third way is to collect on invoices that you haven't been paid for, the work that you've done. So that's how I increase my income in my business and started my business without debt, because I used other people's money to fund my business and increase prices too. Those are 2 ways, actually 3 ways, you can create a business with little or no money at all. If I can do it, so can you. This is the Rule Your Money Show. I am Dakota Grady. Thank y'all for joining. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel, y'all. Thanks for joining us.